This is your time. 10 signs your dreams are really manifesting now.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're listening to this special Law of Attraction podcast. I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. That's what this podcast and these videos are all about. Your dreams, your goals, manifesting in your life. I believe for many of you, high flyers, I honestly believe this, that this is your time. This is finally your time. You deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. And all of it's coming together because you are awakening. You're transforming into a more powerful human being. You simply do not realize how much power you have to change your life, to have the life that you truly desire. Number one, you have finally become clear about the kind of life you desire. You're clear about it. You know exactly the kind of life you desire, the kind of home you desire to live in, the kind of cars that you desire to drive, the kind of recreation and vacations you desire to take, the kind of family you desire to have, the kind of friends you desire to have. You are clear about the kind of life you desire. Remember, whatever you are tuning into, that's what you eventually will turn into. You know, if you haven't become clear, an easy way, perhaps not the most effective, but it's an easy way to do it. Write down all the things you don't want in your life. All the stuff you do not want in your life anymore. And then on the other side of the page, write down the opposite. So if you say, I don't want to be broke anymore, then the opposite of that is, I desire to enjoy an abundant, prosperous lifestyle. Get clear. And if you are clear, that's one of the biggest signs that this is your time. Oh yeah, I believe it. I absolutely believe it. Number two, you are investing in yourself. You're putting skin in the game. Other people may be out playing. They may be sitting back watching television, but you are working on your life. You are working on your relationships. You are working on your dreams. You are working on your goals. And you enjoy doing it because every time you invest a little bit of time into your dreams and your goals and the direction of your life, you see a bigger return coming back. Oh yeah. Say it. Oh yeah. Feels so good. It absolutely feels good to see and feel your life manifesting. This is your time. Sign number 3. You are focused on your alignment with your true self and your goals. You have finally gotten to the point where your goals and your true self are the same thing. You are becoming you. Does that sound crazy? But it is true. You are becoming you. Oh, that's powerful. That's powerful. You're moving in alignment. People say, well, how come my relationship broke up? Because you fell out of alignment. How come I'm not making any money? Because you're out of alignment with money. You're out of alignment with work. You're out of alignment with your goals. But you are in alignment, and the universe must bring you the lifestyle that you desire, the dreams you crave and think about daily, because you are focused on your alignment. The universe has no choice. If you just have these 3 signs, that's enough to manifest an incredible lifestyle. But how about sign number 4? Realizing, say it with me. And if you're listening to this on YouTube, write it down below, because people have trouble with this. But when you write it down below, it's finally going to sink in that you are a co-creator of your reality. Your confidence is growing. It's expanding. And you refuse to be a victim anymore. You're not a victim to advertisers and marketers. You're not a victim to negative people or family. You're not a victim to your fears. You're not a victim to your doubts. You are fired up, and you are a co-creator of your reality. Very important. Write it down below. I am a co-creator of my reality. Sign number 5. You are now demanding more from your body. You are exercising more. You're going to the gym. You're working out. You're running. You're riding your bike. You're eating more green vegetables every day. You're drinking green drinks. You're eating clean protein. And you are focusing on a stronger, higher version of you. You're just getting better and better all the time. And that's a powerful sign to the universe. And when the universe sees that, it matches you with more of that vitality and energy and excitement and passion and joy. Oh, it's wonderful. And don't forget, you are practicing intermittent fasting as well. Oh, we haven't talked about that. We'll have a podcast coming up on that shortly. Number 6, you're willing to take risks. Calculated risk. You're not throwing caution to the wind, but you're not listening to all the naysayers in the world, all the people that are living by their fears and their doubts. You're willing to take risks because you know that it's only through risk-taking that you'll make it to the top of the mountain. And that's where you're headed. This is your time. This is your time. Number 7, you're investing your time into specialized knowledge. You're not just reading any old thing that comes along. You're looking for specific material that deals with your dreams and your goals and your career and the kind of things you want to manifest. You know, we have a program coming out sometime around the first of the year called Level Up Your Love Life. And that's a program that's going to help you take your love life to the next level. Do you see what I'm saying? That's specialized knowledge. You need specialized knowledge, and you know that, and so you seek it out. That's why YouTube is so powerful, and iTunes, because you can get the specialized knowledge you desire. Number 8, you just finally say, oh yeah, I'm letting go of negative people. I'm letting go of negative people. Finally. And it's not always easy. And sometimes you can't let go of them permanently, you know? In other words, you never want to let go of family. But you don't have to be around them 24/7. You don't have to involve them in the intimate details of your life. You're letting go of the naysayers. You're letting go of the doubters. And you're moving forward with your life. Sign number 9, you have developed laser-like concentration, laser-like focus on your goals and your dreams and what you're doing. You're setting mini goals, micro goals every day, every hour, and you're not being distracted by the outside world. You're not being distracted by the advertising and marketing. You're sticking on your goals and you're focused. Oh, yeah. Can I get an oh, yeah? That feels so good when you get focused and you're moving in the direction of your dreams and goals. And number 10, you have set goals that you are going to learn as much as you can about hermetics, Kabbalah, the law of attraction, about how the universe works. You see, when you know how the universe works, when you know the kind of thoughts you have to think, when you know the kind of actions you need to take, it's so easy to get what you truly desire. You are a co-creator of your reality. I am a co-creator. Write it down below if you're listening on YouTube. This is your time. Say it right now aloud. I don't care if there's people next to you. Matter of fact, if you're in the airport listening, tap the person next to you and say, hey, wanted to let you know this is my time. Get crazy with this. Get fired up. This is your time. Oh, you're going to have an incredible day, an incredible week. This is your year. Nothing's getting in your way, because if you've got just 3 or 4 of these signs, oh man, yeah. Oh yeah, that's all I'm going to say. Have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye.